Good day. I'm Sheriff Steve Wilson.
And I'm Deputy Bruce Coker and coordinator of the Stocking Full of Love of Walker County.
We are here today to invite you to an important fundraiser for the Millard Memorial Stocking Full of Love. We are at Mary Claus Workshop on Gordon Pond here in LaFayette, Georgia. This time we'd like to bring in Mary Claus and let her talk about this important fundraiser to benefit the Stocking Full of Love.
We will be having the fundraiser starting Friday, October the 14th, running through October the 16th, which is Sunday. There's different times each day, and you do have to have a reservation. We're asking for a $25 donation, but you can give more, of course. That would be great. And just love to see you all come and make this the best it can be. Thank you, guys.
Might I say, Mary, this place is amazing. You got different sets with different looks. I'm really impressed with it all.
It's a magical atmosphere, folks. For $25, you can bring your family or your children or your grandchildren out to Mary Claus Workshop, Casey Trail here in LaFayette for a $25 donation, October the 14th, 15th, and 16th. Once you arrive here, you can choose the best scenery that you like, and Santa and Mary Claus will be there to make those memorable photographs with you. Santa Mike, who along with Mary was an important part of our Christmas seasons for 7 years or so here in the LaFayette, North Georgia area, the Chattanooga area, as they gave back many hours to community events as Santa and Mary Claus. And we want to honor in this Christmas season Mike's efforts to bring that magical Christmas out to the many children throughout North Georgia and Southeast Tennessee. I know Bruce and I were very honored to have Santa Mike and Mary Claus at our Stocking Full of Love toy stores for several years, and they were always the best, and they loved children. They loved doing what they did to bring out that special part, to bring that magical season to the children in our community. Bruce, I know you and Mike talked a lot over the years.
Yes, Mike was an amazing man, and not to mention the fact that he was the prototypical Santa that you mentioned the word magical. That's the word that comes to my mind when we think about Santa. The very essence of what Santa was, that is what Mike Anderson was. And there wasn't a time that I called him that he did not step up to the plate and say, I want to do what I need to do. And I guess it's fair to say that we were his favorite fundraiser.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So Mike was a very special person. And there again, it embodied the very spirit and essence of Santa Claus.
So what better way to remember Santa Mike and give back to an important charity that's been going on for 34 years now in Walker County, the Millard Memorial Stocking Full of Love. And for only $25, you can come out to Mary Claus Workshop on Gordon Pond and have those beautiful, memorable Santa photographs for many years to come. And you need to call Mary at your telephone number,
423-598-9606.
Book your appointment now. It's just a few short weeks till the event happens.